Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to do FTP port scanning of a remote host. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and also we can call it as transmitting the files between network over the internet. The FTP is a client-server protocol that allows to communicate between the client and server. When you are using the FTP, you can transfer your files between your local machine and to the server. Client initiates the conversation with the server by requesting uploading the file, downloading, deleting, renaming, moving, and copying the file from the server. If the user wants to use the FTP server, then he should need to log in. If the FTP server is showing the sum of the contents which is available on the server, then the FTP server is known as anonymous FTP. So how to use the FTP on Linux? For that, I am typing FTP and the IP address, and it has connected. You can see the FTP version, that is 2.3.4, and now let me enter the username, that is msfadmin, and next the password, then pressing enter. Here it shows that the login has been successfully done. Now here you can transfer your files to the server. So that's a simple method to use the FTP. Now coming to the Metasploit part, the Metasploit consists of a scanning model where you can find which version of an FTP is used by the server. So here you can see that I am running server. The server consists of all the ports. You can see that the TCP IP port number is 21. So here you can see that the Metasploit has been loaded. And next here I am typing use auxiliary /scanner /FTP. Now the model has been set, and next typing show options. So here you can see the model information, that is FTP pass, FTP user, rhost, rport, it is already set, and threads. So if you want to do brute force attack to the FTP account, then you can use the FTP pass and FTP user. But here we are only scanning for which version of an FTP is present at the server. So next, setting up the rhost by typing set rhost. Here I am setting the range between 50 to 250. And next, setting up the threads by typing set threads 70. For every 7 seconds, it's going to give the output. You can set your own threads. At last, exploit. Okay, now wait for some time. Here I did not got anything. Let me try it once again. Then again exploit. Okay, now here I got the FTP version. Here you can see that I have got the FTP version, that is VS FTPD 2.3.4, and it's an anonymous read. So that's all about the scanning. There are many methods to get the login access of an FTP account. For example, brute forcing, FTP fuzzing, FTP enumerating. How to do that all things you will see in the later videos. So that's all about the FTP port scanning of a remote host. Thank you.